Hey, yo, I am legit in a screensaver right now. I've had the fantastic pleasure the last couple of months to broaden my horizons and travel to some places that most people don't necessarily want to go to. You can check out some of these other videos, but today we are out here in Zanzibar. And golly, you know, we heard it was supposed to be rainy season and there's a chance that it might be miserable. I'll be honest, it's rained on me twice for like half an hour, and then it's been a beautiful day either way. Maybe we're just getting lucky. Maybe the vibes are just real high. To my friends and family that know me, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome in. I am Remy, global citizen, digital nomad, and lover of all things new and exciting. Kite surfers are out, jet skis are out. Man, it is an absolute rip. The Maloom Caves. It's like this little forest oasis. There's a spa, there's a restaurant in the forest, some overlooks, and more importantly, what I came for, swimming in this cave. Buddy, here in Maloom, gonna spend the day swimming in a cave. I'm not sure what else is all in here, but I think you can get a massage and all sorts of other spa-like treatments over here. But I'm fit to explore. Oh yeah, it's right here. Oh my goodness, here we go. The forest spa. Okay. Maybe book a massage for after we swim in this cave? I don't know, I kinda wanna check that out. I wanna walk around this whole place though. Dang.
Yeah, our water for us, we just breathing is a blessing water because back in days ago, people they using for healings. That's why if you touch our water, we get inside the water, we just get more life for you.
Oh, so we're about to get healed today.
So in this door, we have spa for massage. Like if you need massage, you have the menu, you can just pass through, then you can let us know, okay? And there's our bar in the restaurant. Maybe if you need to eat some drink, you can just get over there, okay?
All right. I'm gonna go all the way in, get healed, get baptized today in the waters of Zanzibar. I'm gonna have some. Are you serious right now? Oh my goodness. We would swim through that cave right there. And then out here, boy, this is nuts. Check this out. That was pretty wild. It is dark back there. Yes. What are we doing swimming through a cave? What are we doing? Yeah, boy. That was pretty legit. The water is amazing. It gets deep, y'all. It gets real deep. I was not expecting all the fish down there. Amazing. I guess this one's taken. So it's got my name all over. We got the iced spice coffee.
Simple.
What's that chapati? Chapati is like a roti and bread. Kind of like naan, but
So it's like
Oh.
egg on it? Is that what it is? Or chapati? What's a chapati?
chapati is like it's like a wrap, but like
Amazing.
instead of like tortilla,
Egg.
it's another type of.
With egg though, the omelet is egg.
I'm all in.
That's yummy.
That yeah. Yeah.
That looks
Bit,
really
bit, 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 bit.
This
I've had octopus every day since I've been here.
It's like grits.
Not sick of it yet, y'all. Oh man, just out of time, but oh, this would have been sick. What? Oh my goodness. I clearly have mismanaged my time. Spent a little too long in the cave. This would have been it. What? Oh. Oh my goodness. We come back tomorrow. For whatever reason, my boy got it in his mind that he wanted to go kite surfing. And they are out there right now, clearly so much better than I've gotten. I'll tell you off the rip, it is a lot more difficult than it looks. I went in thinking, oh, all right, it's gotta be just like sailing with a board. And partly yes, but at the same time, it also feels like skiing. It also felt like swimming. And it also felt like some combination of all of that made it wholly different. I'm about to pull up some kite surfing lessons. You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
All right, so I gotta get some gear and we're ready to rock. Let's go.
Okay, so for the first time, what we're going to do, so the first lesson of 2 hours mostly dedicated to the kite controlling.
The 2 hours?
Yeah, was first 2 hours.
Okay.
Kite controlling, okay, learning how to wind, okay, understand the safety, and then body dragging, okay, walk with the kite, and then
All right, I don't know if we're trying to get no air, but this is gonna be fun. I'm not trying to fly though.
I want to pack it down up to the side.
Yeah.
Going down slowly,
Slowly, slowly.
slowly, slowly, slowly. and release a little bit. Hold it on the 12 o'clock.
Oh, it's like a kite. Okay, I get you. Okay. 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 No, okay, well. Relieve. My goodness. There's some serious wind out here, and it is not to be messed with. These boys are flying. And the wind had just pulled me face first into the water. But are we having fun or what? Eventually, I did start to find the rhythm and kind of get the feel for it. Day 2 just wasn't as much wind, and it didn't make sense to go out. And I just, honestly, it wasn't going to work out. Personally, I don't think the juice was going to be worth the squeeze. Now, I'm sure I'm going to get some heat for this. If I had planned it a little bit better, I could have scheduled the lessons and been licensed to go kite surfing before I got here, or be further along in the lessons and book some 2-a-days or whatever. I hear it, and that's on me. But we will see if I can get some jet skis out instead, because that your boy does know how to do. Let's just talk and come correct for a sec. Like, what am I even doing out here? Legit. Not the time for the whole life story. But if you know me, you know how I grew up, where I came from, my family, my closest friends. What is this life? I keep saying, dream bigger, man. You are more than where you started. And this is far from where I will finish. Let's keep pushing, baby. So I've done some cave swimming, tried kite surfing, jet skiing. Now, I'm gonna get ready for some scuba diving. All the water sports, y'all. All the water sports. And just like that, we're off. I gotta tell you, snorkeling was not what I expected. So I wasn't really for snorkeling before. I didn't care. Look at it. And I see now it is more akin to hiking, but in the water. Take your time, go slow, see lots of beautiful stuff. It's not a race. It's not about the fastest you can go, the deepest you can go. It's just chilling. I'm here for it. I have a good time, y'all. Thanks. Just stopped at the ATM and didn't get any money out. I don't know if the machine is out of cash or what, but yeah, it took money out of my man's account, but didn't give any money out. Thankfully, I went to the one right next to it and was able to get a stack so it can keep on keeping on, having a good time. I'm sure it will get resolved, but ooh, you hate to see it happen. Not like this. Ooh. Oh, they closed the door. I got the door. They closed it? Hook this up. Okay. Woo. Thank you. Man, we just made it in time. Okay. Never a dull moment out here, man. Hey, Dwayne, what just happened?
Forgot my phone at the grocery that we just went to, and get there, have to bring out back everybody and redo the route, look at, backtrack, do our Sherlock thing. Get there, and the two nice ladies at the store had it in their hand, had it a little wrapped up. We tipped them for their kindness, and there's not too many people like that on planet Earth. So shout out to those two ladies. Really nice.
Temperature, conditions, people, check, check, check. I gotta give a major shout out to the resort we're staying at. Man, I did read a fantastic blog post raving about this resort, and it all checks out. Enough talking about it. Let's go take a look at it. These rooms are fantastic. We right up here. Let's get a quick tour, yeah? Now you know your boy's adapted to island life when he's not even rocking his shoes, not even the slippers. What you do get used to very quickly is a little foot wash. All right, you dab off, get the sand off your feet, make your way inside. These family rooms are next level. So not a whole lot to report. Of course, you got a bathroom, shower, standard operating procedure. The decor is dope. Mosquito nets, part of the deal. This particular spot, they spray down for bugs, mosquitoes, whatever. For us, every night at 5, you can get it at 7. We requested 5, but this has been lovely. Having a separate room for the kids, so my wife and I can have a separate room for us. Speaking of that separate room though, oh boyo. I mean, what can I say? The climate control is on point. Plenty of space, fridge, closet, and more importantly, we right on the beach, brother. And more importantly, we are legit right on the beach. And I mean on the beach. Not like, oh, we're by the beach and you gotta roll out for 10, 15 minutes. I mean, I am on the beach. Ooh, with a little gecko friend visiting. Hey, it's like that. We got all the trappings. This right here, oh my goodness. I fell asleep right here the other night, accidentally. The ocean breeze got me. The ocean breeze and the Mai Tais got me, man. This is such a lovely spot. Like, I can't recommend it highly enough. Real quick, here's F3. Let me know down in the comments which one you like a little bit better. Whew, I'm gonna come around this way, and I mean, I'm not gonna lie. This is kinda sick. Here, come around, and here's really the creme de la creme here. With this room, I would say for a couple coming in trying to have a good time, this is great, because then you get this balcony view. Are you serious right now? Are you serious? Come on out here, watch the sunrise in the morning, step out, have your coffee, and chill. Take a little nap right here. I don't know. We're in F1, this is F3. Let me know down in the comments which one you like better. Where are you staying? F1 with a separate room for the kids, or F3 with the banging bedroom sunrise view and the balcony? Like, this view is, this is, I know which one I like. breakfast was fantastic. And now we're gonna just lounge for a little bit. My goodness. It's terrible, don't come. The ocean's too blue. It's too bright. It's like 30 degrees outside. It's almost too nice. Don't come. Don't come. I'll link it down below. Chantel Love, wonderful write-up. She's a great traveler and an even greater person. So check out her blog to get some insights if you're looking to travel. But off her recommendation, we got here super family friendly. It is a dry resort. And if you're noticing a theme, that's a couple of times now your boy is out and staying at places where there's no alcohol. You don't need it to have a good time. It is also Ramadan right now, so a lot of places just have it not on offer this time of year. That said, if you absolutely gotta have it, you can get it. There are some places on the other side of the beach where you can get a margarita, get a beer, get a Bloody Mary, whatever you like. You can go to a liquor store and buy some bottles at different places. Just know that this spot specifically doesn't do that, and honestly, don't really miss it. They've been super friendly, super helpful. I'll link all this stuff down in the description. No, not sponsored. They're just good people. And I feel like folks are always wondering, like, how, isn't that expensive? But it doesn't have to be. And with a little bit of careful planning and resource management, yo, you could get down like this too. Quick road stop for some ice cream. Oh man, look at me. Like I don't know what I'm doing. Like I don't know what time it is. Your boy walked off with the key still in the ignition. Like an absolute amateur. What do you think, dear? Kickstand up. How was that?
Not for me, but I tried it.
Love you. Just to get off the resort for a hot sec and stimulate that local economy. And all sorts of lovely things here, man. That's quite legit. But how'd that get here? That's what I'm wondering. How'd that get here? You know what I'm saying? Boy. Yeah. Okay.
A purple, do you? Blue or purple? Blue. Yeah. No,
After a little bit of shopping, got a couple of cool masks, thinking about this painting, a couple of jerseys, but yeah, you know, scooped up a couple of items. Now it might be time to make my way back and post up at the beach. I mean, yo, come on now, come on, scratch that. Sounds like it's time for a little sun shower to come through. It's really not that bad, but the sound off the tin roofs makes it sound real dramatic, right? Bringing in some of their items. So maybe not quite close up at the beach time, but we'll be all right. We gonna be all right. All right, now it's raining. Now it is actually for real raining. Are you serious? Should have hustled back. So I guess we're gonna hang out here for just a little bit. Let some of this pass and make our way back. That's a little rainy walk. Thought it was just quickly passing through, but no sweat. It is a warm rain. It's still about 30 degrees out, and it is still flipping beautiful. It's still so pretty out here, man. Even with the rain. Stop it. Another tidbit to know is the currency exchange. We did go ahead and get some cash at an ATM at the airport. Was able to get a little bit more cash when necessary, but man, they'll accept all sorts of currencies out here, whether it's Tanzanian shillings, you got euros, you got US dollars, tap to pay, most of these places. Now you can run up on a couple of little shops. Hey, you can run up on a couple of little shops that, you know, they'll still take a Visa per chance, or they'll take cash, they'll take card. I know that there's going to be like a 4% processing fee. That's standard operating procedure. Also be prepared for negotiations. If that makes you uncomfortable, then I'm sorry. So folks will offer you a price, then you counter offer, and then you kind of barter, go see another guy down the road. I personally just love to support the little businesses and the people trying to keep their livelihoods going. So I won't haggle too hard. I think we did very well to strike the balance between getting good prices for us and our family while also supporting friendly people in their livelihood. It is, for better or worse, just part of the game. They'll set their price a little higher. You got to come in with your price that you're willing to pay and then find that sweet spot somewhere in between. So, Tanzania, would I recommend it? Is the sky blue? Hell yeah, man. I mean, admittedly, if you are looking for a beach vacation, I am legit staying in this room right here. We're like 20 steps to the beach. It is absolutely perfect. Sun, sand, surf, check. Seafood, outrageous. Prices, great. Temperatures, I mean, absolutely. Things to look out for, be ready to negotiate. It is a right-hand drive country, so be prepared for that as well. I've seen plenty of motorbikes. Seems to be the preferred way of getting around through some of the smaller corridors. I was surprised when I saw a car the other day, kind of shocked me. But beyond that, not a whole lot to really be cautious or fearful or worry about. There were a couple of jellies, but that's the ocean being the ocean, you know what I mean? Like, it is what it is. Would I do it? Hell yeah. Clearly. Would I recommend it to you? Man, every day of the week. All right. It's lunchtime. Let me get back out here, get some more octopus in me. We'll see you on the flip. Till next time, y'all. It's been real.